Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're checking out the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2. Okay, so there's kind of multiple digital kind of note-taking devices out there. This is one of those from iFLYTEK, but this has got AI capability built directly into the device itself. So a super impressive device, lots of capability built in. And in this video, we're going to check that out and do a kind of first impression review on the actual device itself. So we'll get inside the box first of all here. We'll just check things out, see what the actual device is like, see what comes in the box, any accessories, for example. We'll check out a kind of first impression view of the build of the device, what the feel of the device and the size of it, because obviously you can see it's probably more of an 8-inch kind of design to this actually. You can hold the box in one hand, so I would have thought you can hold the actual device in one hand. So let's get inside this box and check it out first of all, and then we'll take things from there. Okay, let's get inside the box and check things out. So we've got a friendly reminder, just some top tips just on the card there, just telling you some information about the device. And then we've actually got the AI note taker itself, which first impressions, super premium feel to the back. We've got that kind of metal, titanium kind of metal feel to the back of it there. And that's the actual device. Nice small bezel around the actual edge there. Looks like some kind of speaker grill at the top possibly. On the rear, we've got a camera or a document scanner anywhere just on the back of there. And that's about everything hardware-wise on here. So, on the front of here, there's some kind of instructions on some plastic by the looks of it, just to telling you what to do. A dynamic bar across the bottom where you can swipe and use the bottom of this here to actually control it. I'm assuming this is an e-ink design, similar to the Amazon Scribe and other devices out there that are similar to that, basically like the Kindle screens basically. So, also in the box, we'll just put that to one side. We have got what looks like the actual stylus, the actual pen to control this. Got an accessory box too, but let's have a look at this actual pen first of all. So like other products out there like the Remarkable, the Amazon Scribe, similar to that, this is a very similar approach, and we've got a nice looking feeling pen there actually in the hand. So decent size, good decent size for a writing pen, not too heavy at all, it's lovely and lightweight, but enough weight to it to be able to use it for actually writing by the feel of it. I've actually reviewed the Amazon Scribe and compared it to the new Amazon Scribe that's come out. Not the Coloursoft one, that's not out in the UK yet, but I will link somewhere in this video to that one as well, so you can check out the Amazon Scribe to compare it to this one possibly. So that's the actual pen that comes included, which is great that it comes included as well. It's not an extra add-on, it's actually in the box. And then in this box here, we've got a charging cable. So it's a USB type A to USB type C to charge the actual device. That's in there. And then in here, we've got a user guide, some quick instructions on how to use it, what it is, etc, etc. Just turn it on and pressing all the power buttons, super simple stuff. So what I think we'll do, I'll get this fully charged up. There is a USB-C port hopefully somewhere. Yep, just on the top there. So we'll plug this in, get things charged up, and then we'll actually get using the device and see what it can do. But first impressions, it's super solid in the hand, really solid. But what I do like about it straight away is I can hold it in my hand and I'd be able to write notes directly like that, like a small notepad. The Amazon Scribe that I've got is a much bigger kind of 10-inch device, I think, or yeah, 10-inch definitely, where you've got to have it sat down really. You can't really have it in the hand to take notes. This could be used in the hand. You could be writing stuff down, jotting things down in a meeting. It's you know, you're out of the way. Use it for kind of for presenting, for example, as well, quite easily. Use it in the hand to look at, but then put it away really easily as well. So that display is really, really nice, looking great as well. So what I'll do, let's get this plastic off. Let's get things charged up. I'll get some close-ups of the actual device, but so far I'm excited at what this can do. Loving the look and feel of it. Super thin, nice and lightweight, but got that real premium build quality to it. So back soon when it's fully charged and we'll get using the device and put it through its paces.
Okay, so I think it's recording now. Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're testing the audio into the device now, picking up the audio quite clearly. Obviously the English detection is switched on. Seems to be picking up it really, really well, to be fair. No problems so far with picking the audio up. Obviously with the built-in microphones on the device, it does seem to be using them really well to pick up the audio. I'm going to move it a couple of feet away from the actual device now, just to see if it'll pick it up, maybe just from 2 meters away. So I'm going to sit back from there. Okay, so I'm about probably 1.5 meters away from the actual device with my voice. So we'll see if the audio is picked up from there clearly, unclearly, see if it picks up the words. So now I'm going to move back towards the device. It seems to have done it really, really well, to be fair. And now obviously really, really close to the device, and it's picking up that just probably the same as it was before. So first impressions of the recording, really, really good. So we'll just click finish and end it there. Okay, so able to play back, so let's play back. Okay, so I think it's recording now. Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing the audio into the device now, picking up the audio quite clearly. Obviously the English detection is switched on. Seems to be picking up it really, really well, to be fair. No problems so far with picking the audio up. Obviously with the built-in microphones on the device, but he's done it really, really well, to be fair. Now obviously really, really close to the device, and it's picking up that just probably the same as it was before. So first impressions of the recording, really, really good. So we'll just click finish and end it.
Okay, we're all done now with the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2 device. Really, really impressed with this actual notepad so far. I've been using the Scribe, as I mentioned in the video, for quite some time now for taking notes and reading. This is as good as, if not better, at the actual note-taking element. What is actually better about this is the actual voice recording capability, the transcription capability built in, which is really, really useful and very, very accurate, which is great. So if you kind of sat down somewhere in a quiet area, maybe an office, for example, or a meeting room with other people, this can do everything you need for kind of transcribing a meeting, for example. Really good, really accurate at doing it as well. So quite impressed with the actual outcome of that. The writing experience, which is super important, I've been really, really impressed with. What's really good is the sensitivity and the actual control you've got in terms of the actual thickness of the lines when you're writing, which is great. It is actually a really good writing experience and very comparable to kind of writing on paper or similar with a pen that you get with it, which is great. As well as writing, obviously you can erase things with the other end, which is great, and it's really good control with that. It's got more of a tapered kind of finish to it, so it's a little bit more accurate with the rubbing out compared to the Scribe. It's a bit more of a rounder, kind of more blunt object. This you can be really more accurate with the actual eraser, which is only a small point, but it's quite good about the pen. It's got a little bit of a tapered kind of end to it, which is really, really nice. The pen itself, as I mentioned, really good, fits in the hand really well. There's not much difference between the pens on different tablets, different writing tablets, sorry, but this one fits in really great. It's no problems. It's got that flat edge on it as well, so it means you can grip it quite well, you know, depending on how you grip a pen or a pencil. But overall, the writing experience, which I guess is the core thing, super impressed with that, really, really good. And from my experience, it's as good as, if not better, than the Amazon Scribe device. Okay, so this video was very much meant as a kind of unboxing, first use, bit of an overview from myself around what the actual device can do, what it can't do, the pros, the cons. So a bit of a summary, a bit of a first time look at the device. What I will do now is use this going forward. I've been mainly using it for taking notes for videos, video making, taking general notes day to day, and also transcribing things to make it a little bit easier as well. Obviously using my voice, which has been great. For me personally, I tend to write more rather than speak more into it, but both are as good as each other, so really impressed there. So what I'll do as well at some point after I've used this down for probably a month or two, I will do a bit of a follow-up on the channel just to confirm my findings after a month or two, any more pros, any more cons, any issues with the device, or any things that I've missed out from this first video. But hopefully you've enjoyed this first video. It's been informative at least. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the device, any questions about anything else for me, any comments for the next video I do on this to cover in the next video, please drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more tech reviews, product reviews, DIY projects, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.